Let's see if we can get some back cracks. I really want to see if we can get some. So we're going to go on our back. And there we go. Bring your knees to your chest. And just hold for now. And try and bring it closer. Go, my hamstrings are still super tight. Okay. So you need to bring this up, twist. My back cracked. Oh Lord. Oh God, that was iconic. My back cracked epically. We're just going to stay here for a second. It's really relieving my back. That was epic.